Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, I hope you all will be fine. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Today, my topic is outdoor decor mistake to avoid. When it's come to outdoor decor, there are certain mistakes that you should avoid to ensure an aesthetically pleasing and functional outdoor space. Here are some common outdoor mistakes, decor mistakes to steer clear of. The first one is overcrowding. Avoid overcrowding your outdoor space with too much furniture, accessories, or plants. Give your outdoor area some breathing space to create a visual appealing and comfortable environment. Number two is lack of cohesion. Aim of Aim for a cohesive design by selecting outdoor elements that complement each other in the term of style, color, and theme. Avoid mixing too many different design styles or clashing colors as it can create a chaotic and disorganized look. Number third is neglecting functionality. Outdoor space should be function and practical. Ensure that you consider the intended use of the space and choose furniture and decor item accordingly. Don't have sufficient comfort and usability for aesthetic alone. Number fourth is poor lighting. Poorly placed lighting can make your decor area less inviting and less limited functionality during the evening. Incorporate a mix of ambient task and accent light to create the right atmosphere and enhance both safely and aesthetic. Ignoring my maintenance. Outdoor decor requires regular maintenance. Avoid